Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Py Quiz Bytes. In this video, we are going to understand Python list methods. That is how to add elements, remove elements, delete the elements using the delete keyword, and also how to reverse and sort a list. By the end of this video, you will completely understand how to manage lists in Python. So let's get started. Adding elements. First method, append method. Append method, it is used to add the element at the end of the list. Coming to the syntax, list dot append of x. Here, x can be of any data type. That is, you can add primitive data type or non-primitive data type. But it adds only one element at a time. Next method, extend method. It is used to add multiple elements into the list. Coming to the syntax, list dot extend of iter stands for iterable, meaning you can only add non-primitive data types using extend method, and it will add multiple elements. Last method, insert method. It is used to insert element at a specific index, meaning it will add the element at a specified index. Look at the syntax, list dot insert of I comma x, where I stands for index and x stands for, that is, elements. Here elements x can be of any data type, that is primitive or non-primitive. This insert method also can add only one element at a time. Next, removing methods. First, remove method. It removes first occurrence of a x, meaning it will remove the specified element which is at first occurrence. Coming to the syntax, list dot remove of x, that is value. Next method, pop method. It removes last element. So when you specify the index, it will remove the element at that specified index. If you don't specify the index position, it will by default remove the last element of the list. So you can look at here, list dot pop of I, remove the element at a index I, meaning when you specify the index position, it will remove the element at that specified index. When you don't specify, it will remove the last element by default. The last method, list dot clear of. This method will remove all the elements from the list and it will make the list as a empty. You can clearly see the syntax, list dot clear of. Now let us look at some examples. Let's see adding methods first. So what is the first method? Append method. Append. So why we use? To add the element at the last of the list or end of the list. let's take example. Numbers is equals to, let's take 1 2 3. Now let us add 4 to this list. Now let us print numbers and see whether the number 4 is added to the list or not. Here you can see the number 4 got added. Okay, so where it is adding, it is adding at the end of the list, and we can only add single element. It can only add single element to the list at a time. Now the return type of the append is print of, let's see, return type of append method is none. Now let us move with the other method, that is extend method. So why we use extend method? To add multiple elements. So let us add nums dot extend of, let's take the, we should take only iterable type of data. We can only add iterable type of data to the list. When we use extend method, it can only add iterable data, that is like non-primitive data types. Remember, all non-primitive data types are not iterable. Let's take 4 comma 5. Let's console it. Print of nums. See, 4 and 5 both got added to the list. It is adding 4 and 5 separately to the list, not 4 5 whole collection as a single element. It is adding 4 as a separate element, 5 as a separate element. So this is how extend method is different from append method. Now the last method, and the return type of extend method is also none. Now the last method is insert method. Now nums dot insert of, let's take 2 comma 3. The index position is 3 and the element that we are going to insert is 3. So at second position it should add third element. Right? Let's comment out this. Let's check whether it is adding the third element at the index position 2 or not. So let us print nums. Now you can see adding third element at the second position. So the return type of this insert method is also none. That is, when we print direct insert this insert method, it will give none. Print of, comment out this, you can see it is giving none. So then the return type of all these append, extend and insert methods are same, none. So insert method also can only add one element at a time, but you can add wherever you want based on the index. Now let us discuss the next removing methods of the list. So what is the method first we discuss? That is remove method. So let's take remove method. So what it will do, it will remove the specified element, and if it is repeated twice, it will remove first occurrence of that respective value. Let us look at example. Let's take n equals to same 1 2 3 4, or else let's take 2 again. Let us remove 2 from this collection. So how to remove? List dot, that is n dot remove of, I want to remove 2, so mention 2. When we console n, you can see the first occurrence of the value 2 is removed. That is, the first occurrence is at first position, so it is removed. Now the return type of the remove method is, let's check. None. Same, the return type of the remove method is also none. Now let us see the next method, that is pop method. Pop method. So what is the list name? N dot pop. I'm not specifying any index position here. Directly I am removing the element. So when we don't specify the index position in the pop method, what it will do, it will remove the last element from the list. So let us see if it is removed or not. You can see the last element got removed. So it removed the last element. Now let us define the index position. So let us remove the third element, that is 3. So what the index position will be? 2. And when we console it, you can see the 3 got removed. So in this way, when we specify the index position, it will remove the element at that index position. If we don't specify, by default it will remove the last element of the list. And the return type of none is removed value itself. The return type of pop is different from other methods. It will return you the removed value. At index 2, it is removing the 3 element. So it will return you 3 as a output. This is how pop will work. Now let us look at clear method. Let's take L equals to 10, 20, 30. L dot clear off. Now if we print, what clear will do, it will remove all the elements and it will make the list empty. You can see it removed all the elements and made the list empty. Now let us look at delete keyword, like how it will delete the elements from the list. Let us comment out this. So delete keyword, what it will do. So let us delete allow. Let's delete 0th position element, that is 10, and if we print L, it will delete that element. In this way, by using indexing or slicing, you can delete single element or multiple elements or whole list by using delete keyword. Like delete, let us delete whole list. Okay, print of L. You can see it is giving name L is not defined, meaning it deleted the whole list. So by using delete keyword, you can delete single element, multiple elements or the whole list. Remember, clear will make the element, list empty, but whereas delete, it will delete whole the list. That's the difference, major difference between the clear method and the delete keyword. Now let us do the other last two method, that is reverse method. So let's take a equals to same 10, 20, 30, 40. So numbers in list dot reverse of. Let us print list. See, it reversed the list. Remember, reverse method changes the original list. It does not create a new list. It modifies the list in place. That is, it will reverse the list, as you can see here. And let us see the last method, sort method. Let's take what sort method will do. It arranges the elements in ascending order by default. So a dot sort of. Let's jumble this. Let's take here 40 and here 20. Now let us console. You can see it arranged the elements in a ascending order by default. This sort method will modify the original list, that it will give in a ascending order by default. So in this way, sort method is used to arrange the elements in a ascending order, whereas reverse method is used to reverse the list. So these are the very important methods of the list that are used to make the modifications in a list. Thank you for watching the video.